Welcome to our English class. Unit-3, Lesson 3, Rain, Rain, Rain. The evaporated moisture forms cloud above the sky and when it cools, becomes rain. Drops of rain. Children, do you like rain? Yes, very good. Do you play the raindrops? Yes, very good. Are you happy? Yes. Shall we sing a rhyme? Okay. Let us sing. Trip, 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 trip. Pitter, patter, raindrops. Trip, 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 trip. Pitter, patter, raindrops. Where do you come from? Tiny drops of rain, straight from the dark clouds down to the ground. Trip, 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 trip. Pitter, patter, raindrops. Trip, 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 trip. Pitter, patter, raindrops. Peacocks dance, children dance, frogs hop. It's a jolly time. Shall we sing a rhyme? 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 Trip, 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 trip. Pitter, patter, raindrops. Trip, 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 trip. Pitter, patter, raindrops. Children, practice this lesson daily. Look and say, children, please listen very carefully. Raindrop, raindrop. Children, can you see the picture? What is this? This is a raindrop. This is a raindrop. Raindrop. Please repeat the word raindrop. Raindrop. Have you seen the raindrop? Have you seen the raindrop? Yes. Very good. When do you see the raindrops? When do you see the raindrops? In rainy season. Very good. Do you play in the rain? Yes. Very good. What comes from the rain? The raindrop comes from dark clouds to the rain. Does the raindrops have any colors? No. The raindrop has no color. The raindrop has no color. Children, can you see the picture? What is this? This is a cloud. This is a cloud. Can you see the cloud? Yes, very good. Where is the sun? Where is the sun? The sun is above the sky. Yes. Where does the clouds form? The clouds form tiny drops of water. Tiny drops of water. Yes. Tiny drops of water. Children, look at this picture. What is this? This is a sun. This is a sun. Sun. Children, can you see the picture? What is this? What is this? This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Have you seen the umbrella? Yes, very good. What color it is? It is pink color. It is pink color. Do you like pink color? Yes. Do you have umbrella? Yes. Very good, children. Very good. Are you using umbrella? Yes. Very good. When do you use the umbrella? In rainy season. It used to protect our body from rain. Children, please repeat. It used to protect from our body to rain. Children, can you see the picture? What is this? This is a raincoat. This is a raincoat. 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 Children, have you seen the raincoat? Yes, very good. When do you use the raincoat? In rainy season. In rainy season. Very good. We wear the raincoat to protect whole body from rain. Children, can you see the picture? What is this? Boots. Boots. Children, can you see the picture? What is this? Boots. Boots. Please repeat the word boots. Do you have boots? Yes, very good. When do you wear the boots? We wear the boots to protect our leg from mud. We wear the boots to protect our leg from mud. Yes. Look at this picture. Children, look at this picture. What is this? This is a snail. This is a snail. 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 Have you seen the snail? Yes, very good. When do you see the snail? In rainy season. Where do you see the snail? Puddle and river area. Very good. Very good, children. Look at this picture. Stream. 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 Children, repeated the words stream. Stream. Have you seen the stream? Yes. Where do you see the stream? Where do you see the stream? In your village? Yes, very good. What is stream? What is stream? It connects puddle, river and sea. Children, look at this picture. What is this? Pebbles. Pebbles. Yes. Have you seen the pebbles? Yes. You all might have seen stones. Children, look at this picture. What is this? This is a dragonfly. Dragonfly. Have you seen the dragonfly? Yes. When do you see the dragonfly? In rainy season. Where do you see the dragonfly? Puddle, pond and river area. It flies surrounding area of pond and river. Children, can you see the picture? Puddle. Puddle. Children, have you seen the puddle? Yes. Is there any puddle in your village? Yes. What is he doing? He is playing in a puddle. Children, can you see the picture? Splash. Splash. Please repeat it. Splash. What are they doing? They are playing in a water. While jumping into a puddle, water gets splashed. Children, look at this picture. What is this? This is a frog. This is a frog. Have you seen the frog? Yes. When do you see the frog? When do you see the frog? In rainy season? Where does it live? Where does it live? Water? In land. Water in land. Hawk lives in water and also in land. Children, practice this word. Children, practice this word daily. From the sky to the sea. From the sky to the sea. The dark clouds above the sky, precipitated, become tiny drops of water and come to the earth as rain. And come to the earth as rain. Children, have you seen the rain? Yes. Have you seen the sun? Yes, very good. Where is the sun? The sun is above the sky. The sun is above the sky. Yes. Children, have you seen the raindrop? Have you seen the raindrop? Yes. Do you like rain? Yes. It is a stormy day. It is a stormy day. Wind blow. Dark clouds. Hide the sun. Hide the sun. The little raindrops come down from the sky. The little raindrops come down from the sky. Who comes down from the sky? Who comes down from the sky? The little raindrop comes down from the sky. The little raindrop falls into a puddle. I am in the puddle. I am in the puddle. Yes, the little raindrop in the puddle. It runs down the waterfall. It runs down the waterfall. What a lovely waterfall it is. Wow! What a lovely waterfall it is. The little raindrops come down the waterfall. It joins a stream and crosses woods. It joins a stream and crosses woods. I go past trees, rabbits and deer too. The little raindrop, I am swim in the stream. I am swim in the stream. I am swim in the stream. Yes, it saw trees, deer and rabbits. It bounds over pebbles and joins the river. I leap over pebbles and dive into the river just like the kingfisher. Where does the raindrop see the kingfisher? Where does the raindrop see the kingfisher? River. Yes, very good. It travels with river and joins the sea. The little raindrop is a part of it. The little raindrop is a part of it. What does the raindrop go finally? Sea. Children, what does the raindrop go finally? Sea. Yes, the sea is so big. The little raindrop is very happy. Is the little raindrop very happy? Yes. Children, Please say the answer. Who comes from down the sky? The little raindrop comes from down the sky. Whom does the raindrop meet the woods? Trees, rabbits, and deer. What does the raindrop see the kingfisher? River. What does the raindrop go finally see? Is the raindrop happy? Yes. Children, practice this lesson and question answer daily. A rainy day. A rainy day. Children, can you see the picture? Can you see the picture? Dark cloud. Dark cloud. Hide the sun. Hide the sun. Butterfly. Home. Parents and children. Paperboard. Trees. What is hiding the sun? What is hiding the sun? The dark clouds hiding the sun. What is father doing? He is drinking tea. What is mother doing? She is eating snacks. What is the boy doing? He made paperboard and shell in the water. What is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? Seeing, holding the raindrop. She is holding a raindrop. He is holding a raindrop. Children, do you like story? Yes. A rainy day. A rainy day. When dark cloud arise, it hide the sun. It indicates that is going to rain. Clouds are formed by vapor of water. Many raindrops make rain. When it rains, all the birds hide themselves in the trees. Insects, worms, snails, and frogs comes to enjoy the rain. Heavy rain makes puddle. We too sit outside to see the raindrop. Children sail paperboards in a puddle. We like eating hot snacks and to drink tea. I wish it would come again. Children, are you happy now? Yes? Children, please practice this story daily. Alphabet letters. There are 26 letters in English. Children, let us sing. Yes? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please, children, please sing a song. A, B, C, D, E, F, LMNOP, LMNOPQ, RST, UVW, XYZ. Children, A for ant, A for ant. B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fan, G for gum, H for hat, I for ink, J for jug, K for king, L for log, M for monkey, N for net, O for ox, P for pot, Q for quill, R for rat, S for sun, T for tap, U for umbrella, V for van, W for well, X for six, Y for yarn, Z for zip. Children, do you understand? Yes. Children, please repeat the sound. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A for ant, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fan, G for gum, H for hat, I for ink, J for jug, P for pot, L for log, M for monkey, N for net, O for ox, P for pot, Q for quill, R for rat, S for sun, T for tap, U for umbrella, V for van, W for well, X for six, Y for yarn, Z for zip. Children, practice in your home daily. Children, I like apple. I don't like spicy. I don't like peachy. I like orange. I don't like bitter. Children, I like mango. I don't like brinjal. Children, I like ice cream. I don't like jackfruit. Thank you, children. Bye.